What's up guys? Why we are rejected in stream ads? Because still we have some violation. So time to time we need to check from our support inbox. We have copyright issue, community guideline violation. So if you guys are applied in stream ads or you reach already the 60,000 minutes of views, 5,000 followers, so you must aware that you always time to time you need to check your support inbox if in case you have the violation. So avoid, you need to delete as soon as possible before you apply for the in-stream ads, so in order to not rejected your in-stream ads. So time to time we need to check our support inbox. So we need to go to the help and support. So from there you can see support inbox. So guys, if you have a copyright issue, community guideline violation, you can see from there. So as you see, this one already closed, some cases already closed, but they have some case are not yet closed. So guys, in order to remove this violation, you need to go back the date that tuning there. So for example, me 2022. So in order to remove this one, you need to go back this date and delete everyone. Okay? So for example, me 2022, we need to go back from there. Okay? So if we open this one, it's showing like this. So it happened me 2022. So we need to go back from there. So how to go back from there? We need to go back to our profile. And again, click guys the three dot on the right side in front of you, then click the activity log, then click the activity history. So from there you can click the filter, then all categories is okay, no need to change. Check the date 2022 like that. Okay, May 2022. Alright guys, May 20, 2022 and May 20, 2022. So guys, all you have to do, May 2022, so you don't know which one that you got the violation, all you need to do to remove one by one. Because we do know which one we got the community guideline violation. So in order to clear all, we need to remove one by one guys. Remove reaction, remove reaction, so we need to remove all so that it's clear that all the possible violation from that date it's already removed. Okay, so now empty for the May 20, 2022. Then we need to go back because content that I deleted, I shared from my platform, which is I'm not the owner of that video. I share from the other content creator, then I share it to my wall. So I need to delete also that one. So I need to go to trash bin. So guys, from the trash bin, this link I need to delete also. I already deleted this one in my wall, but you need to delete again because it will stay there 29 days. 30 days, sorry. Okay, so you need to delete also this too. Select and delete. So guys, the content that you share in your timeline that you already deleted, so you need to delete also in the recycle bin. So in order to delete that one, you need to enter your password. So now already deleted guys. Sorry, you can delete public post, public tag, story, activity, page like, some of your comment, like your comment against the community guideline, you can see from there. Okay, so for example, you open the comment section, And you need to search filter which date it's mentioned din. It's depend on the violation that you have. So for example, you go back to your support inbox. For example, guys, you have a spam message. Okay. One of your posts against community standard. So October 8. From Friday, October 7, 2022. So we need to go back from October 7 to October 8. It's mentioning there. And three dot, enter the three dot, activity log, activity history, and date October 7, 2022. To October 8. So this is your activity history from October 7, 2022 to October 8. So in order, guys, so you don't know which one you got the violation or the community guideline, you need to delete one by one. Remove. Because you cannot clear all, so you need to remove one by one. And guys, you need to remove one by one, okay? Then, if you remove already, just go back to your trash bin. So, the trash bin is there. So, you need to take note, guys. This I deleted. It's from the content of other creator that I share on my timeline. So, if you delete that one, you need to delete in your trash bin so that it will not stay there for 30 days. Delete. Again, you need to delete and enter your... Okay? Guys, just remember from your activity log. So, it's mentioning there your public post, public tag, story, activity. Okay? So, they have also your comment. Sometimes our comment is against the community guidelines, so you need to check from there which date you've been comment that one and you need to delete that one. Okay, group post, so it's been there. So time to time we need to check our support inbox, or in case our recommendation as well, we need to check time to time. So we need to check our recommendation. Profile recommendation, okay? If green and we don't have the plug content, okay? Guys, I already have tutorial about this. This is the possible things why our in-stream ads are rejected. So it's very helpful to us if we approve in our in-stream ads, because it really help us to earn extra money to our content. So we are not focusing on the ads on Reels also, but we need to rely on in-stream ads in order to earn extra money. So in order to pass further, guys, to approve in-stream ads, we need to comply the community guideline policy of Facebook so that our in-stream ads are not rejected. So by doing this kind of violation, it really help us to remove the violation that we have. We have the previous violation that we have: community guideline violation, spam message violation, and copyright violation. So that's why time to time we need to check in our support inbox in order to remove the kind of violation. Okay, so it really help to approve our stream ads to monetize. So guys, I hope you understand the tutorial that I giving you today. So Please follow for more update and more tutorial about the monetization policy. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.